All right, this is like the backpack of all backpacks, especially if you have a lot of gear that you want to put in this thing and keep it well protected. I gotta say, this is just, it's solid. So you have the backpack here. It's got this excellent frame around it so it doesn't squish in. It's really, really nicely made. On the back, you have a breathable material. And I actually like that there's a spot in between that breathable material. This is great if you're going on hikes. It's like really hot outside. It keeps your back from getting too hot and sweaty. It also has that material on the straps themselves. Nice heavy duty straps. Also, I love that they have these little loops that you can attach other things onto, and has the clip in between to keep it from falling off if you have your hands full. Now, another thing that's really cool is you have the handle on the top. Nice little handle, and then you have a handle on the side. This handle could also this handle allows you to put it over your luggage handle as well, so you can easily put them together. If you notice at the top, it has this like fold down section. This actually makes it so that you can have a lot more space if you need to pack this thing up to the top. And if you didn't, it just folds down, it's magnetic, and just kind of clips into place. And yeah, let's say you have camera gear and then you also have some clothes that you want to bring. You can fill this thing all the way up to the top, and it zips up at the very top. That gives you a ton of room. Now there's this front section that also has a magnetic flap on it, and you can open that up. It gives you just like easy access to some little bits of gear here and there that you might need to grab. And then you have side pockets for water bottles, and also zip-up pockets to access that gear that's inside, which we'll get into here in a second. On the back, there is a zipper that goes all the way around, and that opens up to where you're going to be putting that gear. It's got the spacers in there that you can customize however you want, just so you can put your cameras, your drones, filters, lenses, anything that you need to on your important shoots. You can see it's padded all over the place. It's gonna keep your gear safe, which is what you want. Even has a spot for your laptop, so you can throw your laptop or your tablet up here, keeping it also nice and safe and padded. I love that there's these side pockets that you can open up, and you can access some gear quickly. So if it's just like the camera really quick, you can access that very quickly, and just makes it great for shoots. If you're on the go, run and gun, this is definitely a backpack for you. Even at the bottom, they added the straps so you could put your tripods down there or any other accessories that you could tie up. And I love at the bottom, it's kind of grippy as well, so you can set this thing up and it won't fall off or slide around. So just all around beautifully designed, highly recommended, and thanks for watching.